to put these big black things into the wall and then put on the top, you know, the screen.
Why did it take it so
Oh,
long?
it's Anthony. Get these up, and then everything terminated in the server room.
All the data that basically every LED wall cable goes to rack number 2. This is where the cables are going to come out on this wall under those square holes to where they're going to land on the cabinets. And then the other number equals the port is going to land on the controller.
Day 77, Ben won't let us go home. We haven't eaten anything in hours.
Chupa Chups. This episode brought to you by Chupa Chups. Naturalist, your farped.
What?
Glucosir syrup, sour rungsmetalin, citron sauce mouth sugar, afolasar fruit mark.
It's Monday. We got B and Kobe terminating some Cat 6A shielded wires. We got the 2 LED walls up. We got it covered in plastic. We got them on the custom AMD mounts. We're pulling the last 2 fiber rolls today. We still have 35 more Cat 6A cables to pull. They're gonna shut it down until after Thanksgiving probably. We're all getting kicked out for the week. We're gonna go do something else. We got half of the large wall in. We have Justin, Carlos, and Devin pulling the last data that's gonna go in the tray up here. But yep, we got this whole wall up labeled. As soon as we get all this stuff up, we'll break down all the trash and we're gonna tape this wall off. That's our current update right now.
Hold on, I gotta get it back. You can't just cue me like that, you know what I'm saying? I was feeling it. Really exciting things going on out here. We're out here at the node. We got LED walls going in. We got all this stuff going on at once. It's just a madhouse, but we love it, you know? Digital dreams, it's what we do.